In this video, I'll show you how to mirror a phone screen on LG TV. Step 1. Enable screen share on your LG TV. On your LG TV, go to Settings, select All Settings and then Connection. Enable Screen Share under Connection Settings. Step 2. Enable screen mirroring on your phone. Swipe down from the top of your phone to open the Quick Settings menu. Tap Cast or Screen Mirroring depending on your phone model. Your phone should now search for available devices. Step 3. Connect to your LG TV. Select your LG TV from the list of available devices on your phone. Once connected, your phone screen will be mirrored on your LG TV. You can now enjoy content from your phone on your TV screen. And that's how you do that. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below and I will try to help you.